It's giving me very much Karen, very much soccer mom. All right, so I am doing the whole bald cap method right now, and I'm waiting for it to dry, but let's get in to the wig. So I already took it out of the box because I'm impatient. But this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. I haven't done anything to it, haven't washed it, haven't styled it or nothing. This is what the inside of the cap looks like. It's like a, I don't know if you can see that. It's like a curved T-part wig. And then it has combs in the front right here. Oh my god, I am not good at showing this. It has combs in the front right here, and then it has a comb in the back, and then it also has this elastic band so you can put that over. And then it also has adjustable straps right here. So this is what the card looks like that the wig came in. It is in DR4 Sandy Blonde, and the wig name is Miranda. I got this from Sam's Beauty, and it was about $40. So very inexpensive. And yeah, so just touching it right now, it feels very nice. It's not shedding too much, like just little straggly hairs, but it is what it is. It feels very high quality, and I'm pretty sure this is a synthetic wig. But the hairline is also pre-plucked. I don't know if you can see that, but the hairline is pre-plucked, so I'm gonna pluck it. So yeah, this is what the lace looks like as well. I'm gonna go ahead and just tint the lace and then go ahead into installing it. All right, so lace is tinted. This is what I'm gonna be using to glue down my wig. I have like Ghost Bond glue, but I don't like how that makes my scalp feel and everything. So I'm using this. This is the ORS olive oil gel wig grip, whatever. It's really, really good, and I use this for all my wig installs. And I'm also going to be using some regular Got2b glue spray. So let me just fix this, and then we'll get into installing the wig. So I'm gonna throw on the wig, and then I might need to cut the sides of the lace to fit my head, because I usually do when I'm like wearing a fresh wig. So using the little headband thing that they provided, I'm gonna put this wig on. All right. So first off, I don't even know if I like this blonde. This is my first time wearing a wig that's not brown or black. So it's gonna get some, it's gonna take me some time to get used to it. Okay, so I also didn't mention this, but this wig is a bob wig. This is what it looks like from the back. And then it gets longer once you go to the front. So it's like this is what it looks like. I don't know, I really like it. I usually don't part my hair on this side, but it is what it is, okay? I'm gonna need to cut these sides of the lace just because it like fits kind of perfectly, but like not really. I'm probably gonna have to cut this whole chunk of hair off. Okay, yeah, because it's gonna, okay, let me do that. All right. Now, I've seen people do this before where they split the, I don't think it's the time for me to be experimenting with a fresh wig, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna split the lace in thirds. And then I'm gonna lay the wig like that. So it lays a little flatter or just easier, because I hate when I'm like putting my wig on and then I don't know, it's a lot trying to do the whole thing at once. Okay, boom. This wig cap is actually a little darker than me. Because my wig cap is darker than my skin tone, I don't know why I just hit myself with a brush. I'm gonna put some foundation on. This is the Juvia's Place palette. This is the Juvia's Place foundation, and it really doesn't matter what kind of foundation you use. But I'm gonna use that to try to get this my skin tone, you know? Okay, so now I'm gonna clean off my hairline from that foundation and just any oils that I would have right here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue on. So this is the, again, Ores olive oil grip gel. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry that so it's faster, it dries faster. All right, so now I'm gonna pull this lace down. Just the middle section. Damn. Ah, don't stick yet, don't stick yet. Okay, hold on. Okay. All right. I'm gonna brush that back. And I'm gonna blow dry this again to make sure it's secure. I'm gonna get some Got2b spray and spray that on the hairline and then blow dry that again. All right, so that first section is glued down. I'm gonna go ahead and do this left side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace. All right, so starting from the middle. And I'm gonna spray some Got2b glue on that lace so it can go back down. All right, it is the next day. I'm sorry, okay? My camera died last night and then I never got the energy to come back and film. So it is the next day. I did sleep with the wig on, so that goes to show that the glue that I use, it's pretty sturdy because I went to sleep and I'm a wild sleeper, and it held up. So this is what it looks like right now. I have not pulled out any baby hairs, and I don't think that I will. I did my makeup because I feel like it pulls the whole look together. Okay, it's giving me very much Karen, very much soccer mom. Okay, this wig. I will say that it does have a little bit of shedding. Could be because I did cut off the side portions of the wig when I was gluing it down, so it could be because of that. But other than that, it feels really, really soft. This is how it looks. This is what the back looks like. I don't know what the back looks like. But I think I want to curl it just to see if this wig can take heat. I know it's not human hair, so I don't know. The package that it came in didn't really talk about if it was heat safe or not, but hey, we finna use it. So I'm gonna use a straightener and I'm gonna curl it just to see how it is. I'm gonna start from the bottom up. Yeah, so, and I'm not really gonna straighten the back because it is shorter and nobody can see that. So just these long pieces, that's what I'm gonna be straightening, or not straightening, curling. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I know with synthetic hair it's harder to curl it, so once I do this, I'm gonna let it sit in my hand until it cools down so that the curl can hold. Also, don't look at the lace, okay? Don't look at that lace. I try to blend it in, but I mean, it is what it is. It's not HD lace or anything. I think it claims to be HD lace, but I don't think it is. Okay. So it does curl. It does take the heat pretty decently. I'm gonna just continue to go on. Do I not look like freaking Marilyn Monroe? Alright, I mean, I like it. I like it curled. I look like a grandma. I look like a grandma. I really do. But hey, at least we know that this hair can take heat pretty decently. Just in case you wanted to know that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video and this wig review. If this piece wants to go down, that's pretty much it for this video. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. I hope you really liked it and enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. I mean, you know, make sure you hit that like button if you like this video. Comment down below any other wigs you want me to review, and make sure you subscribe to your girl's channel, okay? Because if you made it this far in this video, that means you like me, and you should subscribe, please. So yeah, that's all. I'll see you guys next time.